Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
For attaching Velcro to fabric, the best materials include a strong, fabric-compatible adhesive or sewing tools for a more permanent attachment. Sewing the Velcro ensures durability and is ideal for items needing frequent washing. Fabric glue offers a no-sew option, working well for quick fixes or where sewing isn't feasible. Ensure the glue is suitable for both the fabric and the type of Velcro to maintain a strong bond. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for best results.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.